So after 2 weeks of eating delicious, but just like Japanese cuisine, do you know what I've been craving more than anything? Let's get some pizza. Okay. Good morning, guys. I just got back to my sister's house in Alabama. My mind is in like a crazy place right now. It feels so weird being here after just waking up in Tokyo the day before. Like, I don't know how to explain it. It just feels this doesn't feel real, and it feels like being in Japan wasn't even real. I don't know, but I had the greatest time in Japan. Like, absolutely, that was one of my top experiences of my life. I'm so glad that I was able to do that. So glad that you guys followed me along in the journey. I did, there was a point where I was trying to do too much, I think. I was trying to get an RV to rent so I could do some van life camping and stuff like that, because I know that you guys would have loved to see that. So I was really trying to get that done, but I waited too long, and all the reputable RV companies, they require like 3 days in advance, stuff like that. And I almost got scammed by this one company. It was a whole thing. So I just ended up not doing that and just relaxing more. I got to a point where I was just trying to like make good content. And then I was like, dude, you are in Japan for the first time. Your first time out of the country. Actually soak this in and enjoy it. So I had to tell myself that and just like try to relax a little bit. I know not everybody enjoys travel content versus van life content, but there's a reason why my name isn't like Teo's Van Adventure, stuff like that. It's because I never intended for this channel to just be van life. I mean, it's mostly van life because obviously we live in a van, so you will get van life. But I mean, if there's a chance for me to go explore somewhere that I have never been to and I've always wanted to try, and I can't do it in a van, you best believe I'm still gonna do that if I can. So I hope you guys are still down to join me on those journeys where I don't have a van. And this was just the first time of me actually getting out of the van and flying to a different country. It was insane. The people in Japan were so nice. I was worried, low key, I was worried that I would get there and like, I don't know, people would be mean. People were so helpful. It was honestly crazy. Like, when I mean helpful, like, when I think about the average time I go up to, like, say, a security guard or a police officer, and I'm like, hey, do you know how I can, do you know where this is? They'll be like, it's down there. You know, that's, like, helpful, but that's, like, what I usually get in, like, America. In Japan, I remember going up to a police officer, and I was just asking him, like, hey, do you know where this is? And he literally walked with me for like half a mile through crowds to the location. It was insane. And that's kind of what I got from a lot of people there. People were so willing to go out of their way to like help you do things. And I think it's the whole like respect culture there. It honestly was really refreshing. I think maybe I'll get into like everything that I felt and experienced on the Japanese trip, like maybe in a different thing, which brings me to my next point. I do have a lot coming for you guys this year. I know you guys have been asking me for more videos on this channel, and I've been hearing you. I've definitely been hearing you. And honestly, I've been wanting to do more videos too. I've been doing a lot, I'll say behind the scenes. I'll just go ahead and tell you this much. There will be more videos coming on this channel. Right now, I'm at my sister's house. I do need to do a few things with this van build before we hit the road again. I am going to be giving you guys the van tour, the long-awaited van tour that has taken so long to do. I know you guys really want to know how this van ticks. I just have a few more things I need to build, and I'll be getting you a van tour. We'll be hitting the road. I'll be giving you at least, I know you guys are asking for 2 videos a week again. I'll be giving you guys at least 2 videos every other week. So like 6 videos a month versus the 4 I've been doing. 6 to 8 videos a month on this channel. I'm also starting a little podcast on my Patreon and YouTube members. So if you're interested in that, join up for Patreon, join up for YouTube members. I'm also going to be starting a different kind of podcast on something else. And I'm also going to be starting the long-awaited cooking channel that you guys have been asking for since the dawn of this channel. Because I really have seen this channel turn from van life to kind of a cooking channel because I really love to cook. It's a passion that I have. But I don't want this to be a cooking channel. This is my day in the life channel. And yes, sometimes I will cook, but all the intricate little cuisines and like the fancy things that I really want to make that's in my mind, I want to put that on a cooking channel. So whoever is interested in that can go watch my cooking content, then come back here with me and Lars and watch our more chill adventure content. So there is a cooking channel coming, and there's also another secret channel coming as well. I have a lot. I told you guys from the jump, there's a lot happening in 2025. So if you're not locked in yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Lock in to join what we're doing over here. I have a lot that's happening. You guys will get updated on when these things launch. They'll be launching very soon. Probably when I hit the road. I really want to just start launching every single thing, all my other ideas. And it won't take away from this channel because this is my life. So I'll always be here to show you guys what me and Lars are getting into. Speaking of Lars, he's somewhere. I think Lars is honestly happy to be in the van. I think he's in his cat dome sleeping. I just grabbed him from my sister's house, brought him in here, and he went on the bed, cuddled with me for a little bit, and then he went in his cat dome. I think he's just chilling, excited to be back. But yeah, my van is an absolute mess right now. I forgot the state that I left it in. And it honestly, I mean, it still feels like my van, but it definitely feels a little different having taken so much time away from it. But I'm excited to be back. I'm excited to finish this van build, get you guys a van tour, hit the road. I don't know what we're doing this year. Honestly, I'm always trying to get everywhere so fast. I think I want to take it slower this time around and really like let myself get immersed in van life more. Usually I'm trying to go all across the country, this place. I'll be in California. 2 weeks later, I'm in New York. I really want to take some time, slow down, and I really want this channel to be like a storybook or a photo book. I really want this channel to be as realistic to my life as I can make it. Obviously, when you do YouTube, sometimes you have to judge some stuff up. You know, sometimes I'll make a dish that I didn't expect to make, but I know it'll look good on camera. Sometimes I'll go to that hiking trail that I was going to skip. But I really want to start immersing myself in more things that I want to do. Like, I really want to see some more national parks. I really do. I just bought a national park pass. So best believe we're going to be seeing some national parks this year. I definitely on this channel, I want to focus more on being active. I really want to get back to being active. I want to start hiking more. I want to start eating better foods. I want to start making better, healthier meals on this channel. And you guys are really about to start seeing a change happen with the guy in front of your face right now. This rain, I love it. Open that up. I just love hearing the rain, so I opened that up so I can hear it a little better. But yeah, guys, like I feel after this trip, I mean, I was feeling this way before this trip, but after this trip to Japan, I feel wholly invigorated. Like, I'm ready to hit the ground running, and I thank each and every one of you guys for being with me for so long. I've been on this channel now for 2 years. We've hit 100,000 subscribers. I am ready to keep the wheels turning. I don't want to slow down. I don't want to stop. I want to give you guys more videos on this channel, more cooking videos on the next channel, podcast stuff on my Patreon, extra content on the Patreon and YouTube. I want to give you guys more stuff, more music, merch. I'm still trying to find somebody to collaborate with on our merch. I have a lot of merch ideas in my mind. I just need to find that right person where we just click and it's easy to like work with. Because I've collaborated a lot in my past with music and other art. And for me, I really need a person that I can just vibe with. It's not hard to work with. So I'm still working on all that stuff behind the scenes. I'm just thankful for you guys being here, and I'm excited to see what happens next. Who knows what we're going to get into this year. I just hope you guys are going to be with us the entire time. And yeah, I just really wanted to kind of debrief after the long flight and driving 3.5 hours from the airport to here. Yeah, I think I'm going to go to sleep. It's like morning, but I'm gonna go to sleep. The rain is soothing. I think it's bedtime. And hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you want to see this year. There's a lot coming. Hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, leave a like, all that good stuff. Next video, I don't know what we'll be doing, but it's going to be fun. And we'll be getting out of here pretty soon. And I'll be giving you guys a van tour soon. So look forward to that. And I will see you guys in the next one. So until then, peace.